still here at the Rainforest Cafe. I got the pulled pork burger. Check this thing out, it is massive. So look at that. Can't see it because it's dark in here, so you're not going to see much of this. I'll just tell you what's on it. It's pulled pork barbecue on a burger with coleslaw, and then the onion tanglers on it. So I'm really excited to try this. Here we go. Let's get a quick thumbnail. Okay. I'm pleasantly surprised by this. Meat is very tender. Taste the coleslaw and the pulled pork. Yeah, that's really good. It's a lot better than I expected it would be, so it's awesome. Obviously, I've had so many great burgers in my time that would top this, but this is still, I still gotta give this a 5 out of 5 because it's just really tasty, and it blew away my expectations. The meat is just really tender. Pulled pork is a good combination of hamburger meat, and I love coleslaw and the onions being on there, and so it's really, really good. So 5 out of 5 for this, and we just love this place. I'm gonna shout out on this, and as always, if there's anything you'd like for me to review, let me know.